how to do a buzz test on a Ford spending less than $20. So first you need a OBD that plugs into your laptop. I got this on Amazon. It is a VINT brand, and you can get that on Amazon for about $17 or $18. And then you need this software right here, ForScan, and a Windows laptop. So you click right over here on this tab, this pencil right here in the tablet, and key on, engine off, electrical self-test. So you double click it. Down here at the bottom there is a play button. Vehicle must be prepared, and you make sure all those are met, the criteria, and also do not activate any of the switches. And I'm going to click OK, and you're going to hear some buzzing. It's all the injectors at once. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, so here's the results. Diagnostic trouble codes. So injector circuit high to low side open, cylinder 3. And I have these list of possible causes, and to clear these codes you can retest it after you clear them. But that's what I got just from running a injector test. And this is on a 2001 F350 7.3 liter turbo diesel. Be installing a new ICP sensor. I do have oil coming through the connector right here, and already have a video out. Should be diagnosing this. 490. So if you go right here where your fuel filter is, right here, this first little connector is right off the bat, that connector's full of oil. Depending on the order that I edit these videos, my connector's full of oil, so I need a new pigtail and this new sensor right here. This is the ICP sensor. I'm getting an intermittent no start, and it's running very poorly, but you can unplug this and it seems like it clears up slightly, and it will start with this unplugged. And I'm going to have a video of installing this shortly as well. And then I'll do this self-test again and test all my codes. But right now I've got several different codes in here, and the P1280 code for the ICP circuit range low. So it also gives you the possible causes. And this is the ForScan. For Windows download, you can download it right on Google. Also at this website right here. This is the paper that I got with the scanner right here. I bought that scanner off of Amazon. It comes with a little cable that plugs up to your USB. And I went right here to forscan.org. There's 3 different types, but I downloaded this middle one right here because this is Ford, Lincoln, Mercury software only. And it gives you pretty much everything that a dealer ship could do. Is initially I've used this program, and I'm very impressed so far. Anyways, thanks for watching, and once again, if you want to see some new videos with this F350 coming soon, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.